So basically what we are adding to this level, it's I like to call it the rush. So normally we play like this, we play very slow, but imagine you could tap something this fast. Right, these two fingers are the best to use. Other fingers are not that fast, but number two, if this is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, your number 2 and number 3 fingers are the best to use. All right, so just go pick any two notes and take note, it's better when you do it on the high side. On the low side it causes too much vibration and it's not too good. Like if you do this, it doesn't sound too good. But here, watch this. So the lighter the sound, the better. So you can just decide to fully progression. So you can stop on any like when you start this, you can stop on any note of the pentatonic scale. It will be fine with any chord you have here. So basically that's it. Just rush. I think the exercise you have to do is forget about stopping. Just go pick any two keys and rush them like this. End in one. Then when you've perfected that movement, you can now add a left chord to it. Whenever you want to end, like pick a do chord, pick re and mi, end mi, go over here, re and mi again. You can end with do. You can also pick re and mi and end with do, like. So you can do that as well. So basically that's the skill to learn in this level. It is called rush. Yeah, see you in the next level.